Never installed a giant peel and stick map? Don't worry, this is way easier than it looks. Let me show you how. Here's what you'll need. Start by making a level guideline. This is key for keeping your mural straight. Next, clean the wall with an alcohol and water mix to remove dust and oils. Let it dry completely. Lay the mural face down on a clean surface. Peel back the top few inches of backing and crease it down. This gives you a sticky edge to start with. Now comes the teamwork. Line up that top edge with your level mark. Once positioned, smooth it from the middle outwards to adhere the top edge. This is your anchor for the rest of the install, so ensure it is straight and smooth and adhering well. Press and peel slowly. Smooth outward from the center to the edges, working down a little at a time. See a wrinkle? No problem. Gently peel the section back and reapply. The material is repositionable, so take your time. Once the mural's in place, use the felt squeegee to press everything firmly and remove any bubbles. This step helps ensure full adhesion. And boom, that's it. You just installed a giant map mural like a pro. Shop more mural styles at our website, worldmapsonline.com.